Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz, and this is a quick unboxing of the Jabra Elite Sport, which have a 50% longer battery life and the most technically advanced true wireless sports earbuds. Superior sound, 13.5 hours of time of charge, heart rate analyzer, and waterproof. And on the back, it'll just give us some more information. You can up to 4.5 hours music and talk time on the go charging, and the case gives you an additional 9 hours. In-ear precision heart rate monitor and analyzer, comfortable, secure and cord-free fit. In-ear audio coaching and 3-year limited warranty against failure due to sweat. So yeah, pretty cool indeed. And if you open up the box like so, we're presented with a nice package here, as you can see. And it gives us ear wings and ear gels. And the product itself, so we'll pop this out. And yes, if you see here, we have all the little gels and earrings, which is pretty cool and presented very well indeed. We have our cable for charging, and we have our get started guide, which again is presented in a nice box like so. And just pop that back in there and just check underneath for anything else, and there's nothing there. So this is the main piece here, so we'll just pop these out and check these out. So that's them there, pretty small indeed, and you can see you have buttons on them there, so there's a raised button there, so you'll be able to navigate them pretty easy. Pretty cool indeed. And you can see the two connection points here and here on left and right, clearly indicated. And of course this will be an indication light, I presume, here at the bottom as to our connectivity and charge status. And this is the little box that you go into here, which is very, very cool indeed. And yeah, there's some power on that, and it's where to charge it up. And in here is just some European logos and so on. So what we'll do is we'll pop these in, and they just pop in like so. And that's pretty sure that's the right way. And we have our green light there. It's a pretty secure box as well. And yes, we have our charging working there, and this is very, very secure. So this could take a fair drop, or if you dropped it, your cargo inside will be pretty safe indeed. And it's pretty neat looking indeed, and it's a nice package. And there we can see there's some indication lights there now as to what's happening there, so you know what's going on. So pretty cool indeed, very, very cool package. But that's just about it for now. Give us a shout at Tech Buzz Ireland, any questions. We'd gladly answer you as always. That's the Jabra Elite Sport, and a review will be coming soon your way on techbuzzireland.com. Stay tuned for more.